Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Reveal Therapy. Today we are going to reveal Acer Predator Helios 300. Here are the outcomes of the box. So let's first start with the envelope. Here in envelope we have a setup guide, quick guide, warranty card and international warranty card. So let's move this aside and go with the charger. In charger we have is 135 watt and 19 watts output charger. And here is its connector. Let's come to the main part of the revealing. This portion of a laptop that is made up of aluminum brushed with two red strips. At the back it is made up of plastic and it has opening drawer for hard disk and for RAM. You can replace it by opening just two screws. So let's fastly boot this up. Display is 1080p and that is backlit display. It has 720p camera, a fully backlit keyboard. You can switch on the backlit by using these keys. It's fully backlit and multi-touch trackpad with a red strip around it. It has Intel Core i7 8th generation processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti graphics card, a USB 3.1, DDR4 RAM, 2x faster wireless charging, and AeroBlade 3D fans with a 3.5mm audio jack and a 19 volt charger. On the other side, we have an SD card slot, USB 3.0, HDMI, Type-C, Ethernet cable, and Kensington lock.